This is In the Wild with Chris. I'm out on Caye Caulker off the coast of Belize, and I'm going to do a little snorkeling in the mangroves, and we'll see what kind of wildlife we'll find there. Snorkeling in the channel they call the split. It separates the North Island of Caye Caulker and the South Island. So there's a big party on the other side, but here, nice mangroves, a lot of animal life, fish. All right, now I'm gonna head back across the channel, maybe have a beer. Well, I hope you enjoy that little trip in the mangroves. See what fish we got there. Till next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.